Hey girls, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful and unique in itself because in this video I am going to share very beautiful, very creative and unique ideas of baby frocks, of girls shirts, kurti, designer wear, dupatta, all over shawl and many more creative embroidery designs ideas that could be only made with the help of Kutch work Sindhi embroidery. So friends, please watch the video till end. These are absolutely amazing style ideas. This video is a 5-in-1 collection, that is you are going to get all over embroidery patterns, embroidery motifs, embroidery necklines, embroidery all over designs, embroidery borders and many more creative ideas. And these are the different names that have been termed for this one embroidery stitch, that is Sindhi embroidery, Sindhi Hurmich, Sindhi barth, Gujarati silai, Gujarati jamar, Gujarati embroidery and many more creative artistic items. So friends, you can use this for making your saris, your all over dupattas, the four corners or borders of your dupatta or shawl more creative and more beautiful at the same time. So the thread you can use for making these articles is very easy, that is you can use whatever thread you want to. You can use wool for making these embroidery patterns, you can use silk thread, you can use anchor, DMC, butterfly or many more other stitches as well. So friends, I hope that this video is absolutely fine and eye-catchy for you, and if you want to get more stylish, trendy and crazy ideas related to women fashion like western dress designing, shorts, tulips, shirts, kameez, baby dress designing, hand knitted articles, crochet art, handwork, hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery and many more creative arts like fabric painting, gota work, mirror work and many more, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, most of you have been questioning that why I use English to communicate with you, because most of our friends are from outside of Pakistan, India and Bangladesh and they don't know Urdu, Hindi, so English is the most easy and the comfortable medium that could be understandable by all of our friends and YouTube subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe and like. Meet you soon back in my new video. Please take care of yourselves.